In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the evap canister vent valve on this Chevy Silverado. It's going to be above the gas tank towards the front. Let's get into it. We're going to take this bracket off right here. Use a 13mm socket. Take that bolt out. See, the bracket is loose. We're going to take the bracket off. Just get a screwdriver and just go underneath this tab, pry it out, and grab the bracket and slide it towards the back of the truck. It comes right out. We can twist, and you can see where the connector is. I'm going to disconnect the connector. Just push on the tab. Slide the connector out. See, there's the connector right there. On the vapor canister, we're going to disconnect this hose right here. Just squeeze the two tabs, the bottom and the top, and slide it off. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to just pry it a little bit. Using a pick. I'm just going to push the tab in. Grab that hose and slide it off. You can see these are the tabs that you're trying to push in. If you squeeze them, they roll in, but sometimes they don't always go far enough, so just get the pick and push down there. Now above the gas tank where the cross member is, there's some retainers holding it down. I'm just using a trim tool. Just get under there. Just pop those out. You could also open them up, pop them open. There's one there, and there's could be one on the inside. This vehicle, it's not attached. And just grab the vent valve. And we're just going to pull it through. You might have to push the other hose up, feed it through. And slide it out. I'm going to slide the new one in, same way the old one came out. Just try to grab it from the other side, feed it through. It's a wiring harness that you need to add. So connect the wiring harness to the old connector. Lock that in place. And before we attach the new valve, attach the connector, lock it down, and line the bracket up. Take the bolt. Get that started. All right, get that bolt started. I'm just going to tighten this down with a ratchet wrench. It's a little bit easier. All right, that's tight. Now the retainers that go above the tank, you can push those in, line those up, lock those down. Go over the canister, line up the hose, and lock it down. Now we're going to take this relocator tube, slide that over the gas tank to the other side, and this end is going to go right here. There is a clamp on that. We'll just get some hose clamp pliers and secure that. That's good right there. I'm using the wire tie and secure this to the other side. The important part of this is not allowing any moisture to get into it. You don't want any water splashing up from the street while you're driving. As long as it's not near the tires, you should be good. trim the excess. Just make sure the clamp on this isn't rubbing on the hose. That's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.